Hi, I'm Roberta Sand, the Marketing Director at Garrett Leather. At Garrett Leather, we have many different types of products, and we'll help you find the best one for your client. Here we have another of our pure aniline products, our classic vintage collection. Each hide of vintage is hand rubbed to create a beautiful mottled appearance. It has a light wax finish. The wax finish is heated to give it an elegant, subtle sheen. Like all pure aniline products, vintage receives all of its color from our fiber dye process, which means the dyes penetrate the entire thickness of the hide. Natural markings, such as neck wrinkles, may appear anywhere from 1/4 down to 1/3 of the hide. Other characteristics, such as fat wrinkles and healed scars, may also show throughout the hide. Vintage is recommended for all upholstery applications, and signs of wear will be evident with use. Over time, it will develop a rich patina and improve with age. If you have any questions regarding vintage or any of our products, please contact us.